A very good evening to all our distinguished guests, respected faculty members, and dear participants. It is both an immense pleasure and profound honor to stand before you today as we come together to mark the valedictory session of 5th National Moot Court Competition at Himachal Pradesh National Law University. On behalf of Moot Court Committee and the entire university, I, Kalani Acharya, extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each of you. We are truly privileged to have with us today our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Sandeep Sharma, Judge at Himachal Pradesh High Court, Professor Dr. Sanjay Sindhu, Professor at Faculty of Law, Himachal Pradesh, Mr. Piyush Verma, President of Himachal Pradesh High Court Bar Association, Mr. Neelka Mansoor, Senior Advocate at Himachal Pradesh High Court, Mr. Vijay Kumar Arora, Senior Advocate at Himachal Pradesh High Court, Professor Dr. S.S. Jaswal, the esteemed Registrar of Himachal Pradesh National Law University, all the office bearers of Himachal Pradesh National Law Universities, the judges for the semi-final rounds, Dr. Ambika, Chairperson of Moot Court Committee, our dedicated faculty members, and of course our talented participants and students. It is truly an honor to stand before you at the conclusion of 5th National Moot Court Competition. Over the past few years, we have been fortunate to witness an inspiring display of passion, commitment, and intellectual brilliance, a reflection of the future of legacy advocacy in our nation. As we gather here to bring this distinguished event to close, I would like to take a moment to reflect on some thoughts that resonate deeply not only this competition but with the legal profession at large. The words of Justice Benjamin Cardozo are especially fitting. The law is not a collection of mere rules and manuals. It is an institution with a soul capable of growth and change. And indeed, over the course of this completion, we have seen the soul of the law come alive, vibrant, evolving, and inspired by the brilliant legal minds before us today. Every argument, every rebuttal, and every brief presented has been a testament to your understanding of how the law has the power to shape society, foster justice, and uphold human dignity. The lighting of lamp is a symbol of dispelling darkness and ushering in light, knowledge, and wisdom. To mark the auspicious beginning of today's valedictory ceremony, we begin with the traditional lighting of lamp as an offering to Ma Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. I now invite our esteemed dignitaries and registrars to come forward and light the ceremonial lamp to officially commence the session. या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती Thank you all. May this light in the Brahma Vichara knowledge for all. I now request our worthy registrar sir to kindly our chief guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Sandeep Sharma, and all other dignitaries present here today. Professor Dr. Sanjay Sindhu. Mr. Piyush Verma. Mr. Nilkamal Sood. Mr. Vijay Kumar Arora. Thank you all. Please take your seats on the chair. Thank you all. The HPNLU family takes immense pride in the vision, the promises, and the values that this institution represents. Our full leave is a reflection of that pride and commitment. I now request everyone to rise for the podium.
योगः करं सुकौशलम् योगः करं सुकौशलम् हिमाचल प्रदेश राष्ट्र विधि विश्व गुरु बनना है क्यों न गुरूर करे देश महान की। तथ्य से अवगत करा, तत्व अंगीकृत कराए, तर्क को अंगीभूत करा, वितर्क की पूर्ण आहुति डलवाए। कहता है हर युवा यहाँ लेखनी और वाणी वीर बने, कानूनी मदद का दरिया बहा, वाद विवाद प्रतिद्वंदी बने। इनके आंचल से चुरा सफेदी, चलाओ न्यायालय संस्कारों से, मिटाए अन्याय श्वेत श्याम वर्दी, ख्याति बढ़े देवभूमि की जिससे, न्याय की देवी का रूप सजा जहां, स्थापित करे सिंहासन सुनहरा, कुंदन बन संवरे विद्यार्थी यहाँ, सारे जग में एक हो नारा। हिमाचल प्रदेश राष्ट्र विधि विश्वविद्यालय, विश्व गुरु बनना है क्यों ना गुरूर करें।
Thank you all. I would now like to invite Dr. Ambika, the chairperson of Moot Committee, Assistant Professor at Himachal Pradesh University, to present the report of the event.
Very good evening, one and all present here today. Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Justice Sandeep Sharma, Judge, Himachal Pradesh High Court, Shimla, respected Professor Dr. Sanjay Sindhu, former Dean and Chairperson, Department of Laws, Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla, respected Mr. Piyush Verma, President, Bar Association, Himachal Pradesh High Court, Shimla, respected Mr. Neel Kamal Sood, Senior Advocate, Himachal Pradesh High Court, Shimla, respected Mr. Vijay Kumar Arora, Senior Advocate, Himachal Pradesh High Court, Shimla, and respected Professor Dr. S.S. Jaspal, Registrar, Himachal Pradesh National Law University, Shimla, other esteemed dignitaries, faculty members, and the participants of this competition who have come here representing various esteemed law schools pan India. I, Dr. Ambika, Chairperson of Moot Committee of Himachal Pradesh National Law University, Shimla, warmly welcome you all to the valedictory ceremony of 5th HPNLU National Moot Court Competition 2024. This year's competition, proudly powered by SCC and EBC as our knowledge and media partners, has been a remarkable journey of legal exploration and learning. The 5th edition of this National Moot Court Competition has been crafted to serve as a platform for participants to deepen their understanding of constitutional law. Our goal is to equip the next generation of lawyers with essential research, advocacy, and oratory skills essential for navigating the complex landscape of legal practice. This year, we were thrilled to have participation from esteemed law schools and institutions such as National Law School of India, University Bangalore, National Law Institute, University Bhopal, Government Law College, Mumbai, Maharashtra National Law University, Nagpur, Army Institute of Law, Mohali, Punjab, and others across the country, all bringing their unique strengths and perspectives to this competition. The competition commenced with a vibrant inaugural ceremony graced by our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Preeti Saxena, followed by an inspiring address from Professor Dr. Amarpal Singh, Vice Chancellor of Ram Manohar Lohia National Law University, Lucknow, who shared profound insights into the essence of moot court competitions and constitutional law. On the first day, after an energizing start and sessions by our knowledge and media partners, SCC and EBC, the preliminary rounds began, and from these rounds, 8 outstanding teams emerged, advancing to the quarterfinals. And the second day featured the researchers' test or rigorous examinations of the researchers' ability and intensity of legal knowledge, along with the thrilling quarterfinal rounds between the 8 teams, from which the most dedicated and skilled teams qualified for the offline rounds present here today. And the 2-day online preliminary round and quarterfinal rounds held from November 6th to 7th showcased exceptional levels of advocacy, thorough research, and unshakable confidence, traits that embodied the very spirit of moot court competition. The participants engaged in vibrant debates and thorough examinations of the constitutional issues, demonstrating a level of skill and dedication that has left an impactful mark on this competition. As we conclude this remarkable event, we celebrate not only the winners but all the participants who have demonstrated extraordinary dedication and skill throughout. Thank you all for making this competition a success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such an extensive report. Moving further, Professor Dr. S.S. Jaswal is a renowned legal scholar with an exceptional academic background. His distinguished journey in the legal field began at the esteemed Indian Law Institute. I now invite Professor Jaswal to deliver the welcome address.
Thank you, Dr. Kalyani. Honorable Mr. Justice Sandeep Sharma, Judge High Court of Himachal Pradesh. Professor Sanjay Singh, former Dean and Head Department of Law at University Shimla. Shri Piyush Verma, Senior Advocate, High Court of Himachal Pradesh and President, Bar Association, High Court of Himachal Pradesh. Shri Neil Kamal, Senior Advocate, High Court of Himachal Pradesh. Shri Vijay Kumar Arora, Senior Advocate, High Court of Himachal Pradesh. Dr. Ambika, Chairperson, Board Court Committee, HPNLU Shimla. All the dignitaries present here, participating teams, dear friends. With this, we have come to an end of this 5th HP National University Board Court competition. We are honored and privileged to have Honorable Mr. Justice Sandeep Sharma, Judge of High Court of Himachal Pradesh, as the chief guest of this valedictory session. Lordship has also joined and judged as final round of this competition. On behalf of the National University Shimla, I take this opportunity to welcome your Lordship of this program. Welcome. We also welcome Professor Sanjay Singh, Shri Piyush Verma, Shri Neil Kamal Sood, Shri Vijay Kumar Arora. They have also judged this final round, and I also welcome them in this valedictory session. Finally, I welcome all the participant team for semi-final rounds and final round of this competition in this session, and everyone present here. Welcome one and all.
Thank you so much, sir. It is now my great honor to introduce our esteemed chief guest, who has been a guiding light for this institution since its very inception. Honorable Mr. Justice Sandeep Sharma, born on July 20, 1968, he spent his formative years in Shimla, where he attended renowned DAV school. He went to earn his law degree with distinction from Himachal Pradesh University in 1993. Lordship then ventured into an independent legal practice at Himachal Pradesh High Court, where he quickly became known for his expertise across a wide range of cases, including civil, criminal, constitutional, company law, taxation, corporate, and insurance matters. His legal acumen earned him the trust of several prestigious institutions such as CBI, BSNL, Central Excise, UGC, Armed Forces, for whom he served as a stand-in counsel. In 2004, at the age of 36, Lordship was appointed as the Assistant Solicitor General of India, a position he held with great distinction until 2014. His exemplary service at bar culminated in his designation as senior advocate in June 2014. His outstanding contribution to the law were further recognized when he was appointed as a judge of Himachal Pradesh High Court on April 12, 2016, cementing his reputation as one of the most respected figures in Indian jurisprudence. I now request Lordship to deliver the address to the students.
Dear students, esteemed faculty members and honored guests. First of all, I take this opportunity to extend my gratitude to organizers for having me associated with this wonderful program. I'm truly delighted to be part of this. It was an honor to be judge this Moot court, where I had an occasion to interact with the brightest young minds who now are preparing to uphold the majestic law. In the coming days, they would be wearing the robes and be part of Indian judicial system. Let me tell you, I was just sharing with my friends on the dais. While we were doing law, we didn't have this kind of Moot court. I still remember when I passed out in '93. So what was the practice? Last semester, I think just 1 month prior to the final examination, one preposition was handed over, and then we would prepare that, and all candidates in queue would appear before the committee headed by teachers. 2 and 3 questions would be asked, and that would be Moot court. A few years back, I had an occasion to judge the Moot court at Pune, where Honorable Justice Hima College shared dais with other 5 honorable judges of High Court of Bombay. Then I really came to know what is the Moot court. Probably before that I didn't have any idea of this. The second opportunity I got when Professor Nishta Jaiswal associated me, and I, along with Justice Virendra Singh, Justice Tolok Chauhan, I think on 2 occasions prior to this, I judged the Moot court. It's a wonderful initiative. Now it's a part of curriculum, so one can't avoid it. But I'm really impressed, and I must confess, today's participants were much better than hundreds of established lawyers. I was just sharing my thought with my colleagues, and probably some of the established lawyers who are known for their expertise in field probably would have not argued the way young students presented their case today. And I must congratulate organizers for organizing such a wonderful, informative event. I must congratulate each and every participant of this event who came here with full preparation. And let me tell you, when we participate in any competition, only one party is declared winner. But that doesn't mean that the person who was unable to achieve position was not worth of it. But rule is that only one is to be declared winner. But my theory is, once you decide to participate in competition and you prepare for that, you become winner that day on. Mere participation with giving 100% of that, that is the true victory. Because ultimately victory minds you, that meant for yourself. That I had given my 100%, what I had prepared, I gave my 100%. But sometimes if you are unable to give your 100%, then you sometimes repent. That's the loss. Today is not an occasion where I must give some detailed speech to you. But since you all are all set to join legal profession, so I may just give you little insights, or I would say ideas of my thought of what you should do. As you embark on this novel journey, let me remind you, being a good lawyer is not solely about achieving academic excellence. While securing A grades is commendable, the foundation of truly remarkable legal career lies in values that transcends textbooks and exam. So our journey would not end here, whether you achieved which grade you achieved. When I was doing law, I had I think at a first class in every subject, except one subject at Hindu law, where I was expecting more than 85 marks, but I got 54 marks only. But when I joined my profession, let me tell you, it was altogether different scenario. When you join profession, then practical knowledge is something different from the knowledge which is imparted here. But here, I must also concede now there is a change in curriculum. Now those things are being taken care of, which you may witness tomorrow in the court, that are being presented here, and you are being trained for that. But apart from that, I emphasize on one thing, dear students. Firstly, we all need to strive hard to become a good human being. That's the most important thing. You may excel in any pursuit of your life. You may be a good doctor, you may be a good lawyer, you may be a good judge, you may be a good engineer. But in case you are unable to become a good human being, probably your entire effort may go into drain. So, to excel in legal profession, 4 or 5 things which one need to keep in mind are integrity, empathy, accountability, respect, and humility. You need to uphold majesty, honesty, ethics, and morality in every aspect of your life profession, because your credibility is your greatest asset. Guard it fearlessly. Similarly, empathy. As I said, law is not just as rules, but as a tool to understand, heal, and uplift the society. Learn to walk in shoes of those you represent. Similarly, you must be able to accept your defeat and victory, accept your actions, own your decisions, action and outcome. Responsibility is the cornerstone of leadership. Honor the dignity of all, be it the law, your clients, colleagues, or even opponents in the courtroom. And on the top of everything, humility. The law is vast, and no one can know it. Stay grounded and eager to learn from every experience, case, and colleagues. Law is such a subject, such a vast area where one cannot claim there is master of this, because it's ever evolving. Every day, new proposition comes, new law comes, new judgments come. So every day and out, we are learning something new. While sitting in court, new proposition comes. Sometimes while dictating judgment, appropriate word doesn't come in your mind. So what to do? In that situation, I don't mind asking my reader. I don't mind asking I think they would vouch for me, my senior advocates. Because in case you want to succeed, you should be ever ready to learn. Besides your role as architects of justice, as future lawyers and judges, you are not merely practitioners of law, but architects of just society. For that purpose, you need to remember law is a tool for justice, not just a profession. Use it to address inequality, protect rights, and deliver fairness. Your advocacy can amplify marginalized voices, be the voice of those who cannot speak for themselves. Your expertise can shield human rights, stand firm in defending what is just, even when the odds are stacked against you. Your lauded leadership can drive transformative change, be the leaders of our society, be the leaders our society needs, ones who inspire trust and foster unity. And you can be a torch for a path to a better society, to create a future rooted in fairness and equality. Stay curious and never stop learning. The law evolves with society, and so must you. Engage in constructive debates, not divisive arguments. Seek to enlighten, not an overpower. Champion inclusivity, diversity, and equality. Justice must be accessible to all, regardless of background. Balance individual interest with the collective good. The law serves the people, not the other way around. You are the guardians of the constitutional values. When you tomorrow you wear robes, you have to perform duty of lawyer, whose utmost is duty to protect the constitution. As custodian of the constitution, you must champion its spirit, justice, equality, and liberty, which are the pillars of our democracy. Human dignity and rights, the essence of our humanity, transparency and accountability, the bedrock of trust in our institution. In conclusion, I will leave you with this. Be compassionate lawyers, not just successful ones. Your empathy will be remembered for longer than your victories. Be agents of change, not mere spectators. Take action to address injustices, no matter how small. Be guardian of justice, not just advocates. Safeguard the principles that hold our society together. The future of justice lies in your hands. Harness your knowledge, skills, and unwavering commitment to create a society that thrives on fairness, equality, and the rule of law. I look forward to the day when I see many of you in courtrooms, not just arguing cases, but championing causes that shape a brighter tomorrow. Before I conclude, there's a quote of Martin Luther King. The arc of moral universe is long, but it bends towards justice. With this, I again thank you, each and everyone present here. State that organizers chose a very, very good topic, which is a utmost talked of today, PMLA, and the skill displayed by both the parties were par excellence. I don't know who will be the winner, but let me tell you, both the parties are winners. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Lordship, for gracing us with your presence today. Your words, no doubt, will inspire and ignite the mind of these young legal aspirants. We are truly privileged to have you here. The time has finally come for the much awaited moment, the announcement of winner of 5th National Moot Court Competition. But before we proceed, let us take a moment to recognize that every participant here today is in fact a winner. Whether or not you take home a trophy, your dedication, courage, in presenting your arguments and steadfast commitment to the principles of law have already made you champions. We commend each and every team for their exceptional performances, and no matter the outcome, you have all proven yourself to be remarkable advocates. Without further ado, we move on to the highlight of tonight's ceremony, the announcement of the grand prize. It is with great pleasure that I invite our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Sandeep Sharma, and other dignitaries to present the prize to the winners of 5th HPNLU National Moot Court Competition.
It is most difficult task, but one has to perform it. As I said, both performed wonderfully, and they were, excellent. But certain parameters were there on which these teams were to be judged, and there were 5 judges. Everybody had its own perspective to judge, own thought of it. But let me tell you, we all were in unison as for one thing, that both are deserving. The winner of the 5th National Moot Court Competition is Team 501.
Round of applause for the team. Congratulations to the team. Runners-up are HPNLU Nagpur. Runners-up HPNLU Nagpur. Now, the Best Teacher Award goes to Ms. Shivani Thakur, Army Law Institute, Mohali. Best Memorial Award goes to NLIU, Bhopal. The Best Researcher Award goes to Mr. Yadu Krishna, Symbiosis Law School, Pune. Results of the semi-finalists: Army Law Institute, Mohali, Kumar O, Shivani Thakur, and Lohit Sarjan. They were semi-finalists.
Congratulations.
I now kindly request all our dignitaries to take their seats.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Heartfelt congratulations to the winners and a big round of applause for all the teams. Your participation has been equally valuable and each one of you has contributed to the success of this competition. I would like to invite Dr. Bharat Paruvalia, Faculty Convener of Moot Court Committee and Assistant Professor at HPNLU, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. Honorable Lordship, Mr. Justice Sandeep Sharma, Judge, Himachal Pradesh High Court. Honorable Professor Preeti Saxena, Vice Chancellor, Himachal Pradesh National Law University, in absentia. Professor Dr. S.S. Jaspal, Registrar, Himachal Pradesh National Law University. Professor Dr. Sanjay Sindhu, former Dean and Chairperson, Faculty of Laws, Himachal Pradesh University. Shri Piyush Verma, President, HP High Court Bar Association. Shri Neelkamal Sood, Learned Senior Advocate, HP High Court. Shri Vijay Kumar Arora, Learned Senior Advocate, HP High Court. Shri Sahajveer Baveja, Advocate, Rajasthan High Court, watching us online. He is the drafter of this moot requisition. Judges of the semi-final round, distinguished faculty members, respected guests, esteemed participants, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Moot Court Committee, HPNLU Shimla, I, Dr. Bharat Paruvalia, Faculty Convener, Moot Court Committee, have the privilege of expressing our heartfelt gratitude to all who have contributed to the success of the 5th National Moot HPNLU National Moot Court Competition 2024. First and foremost, I extend our deepest thanks to Honorable Lordship, Mr. Justice Sandeep Sharma, for gracing this occasion as our chief guest. Your presence today, sir, has added immense value to this event, and your words of wisdom will resonate with all of us as we continue to strive for excellence in the field of law. On behalf of the Moot Court Committee, we also extend our heartfelt gratitude to Professor Dr. Preeti Saxena, Vice Chancellor of Himachal Pradesh National University, for her invaluable support and guidance, making the 5th National Moot Court Competition a grand success. We extend our sincere thanks to Professor Dr. S.S. Jaspal, Registrar of HPNLU, for his constant encouragement and support throughout the organization of the 5th Himachal Pradesh National University Moot Court Competition, National Moot Court Competition. Our sincere appreciation goes to Professor Dr. Sanjay Sindhu, former Dean and Chairperson of Faculty of Laws, HPU, whose support has been pivotal in shaping the excellence of this event. We are also grateful to Shri Piyush Verma, President, HP High Court Bar Association, Shri Neelkamal Sood, Learned Senior Advocate, HP High Court, and Shri Vijay Kumar Arora, Learned Senior Advocate, HP High Court, for their constant support and encouragement, which has been invaluable in making this competition a resounding success. I thank Shri Sahajveer Baveja, Advocate, Rajasthan High Court, for his drafting of the moot proposition. Thanks is due to the judges of the semi-final rounds, Dr. Aniket Sharma, Mr. Rajiv Rambhatla, Mrs. Peetal Sharma Vyas, Ms. Parul Negi, Mr. Mayank Manta, Varun Vashisht, for their sparing their valuable time for this event. A special thank you to the office bearers and faculty of Himachal Pradesh National University, whose unwavering dedication to the institution's growth and development reflects in the quality of every event we host. To our knowledge partners, EBC and STC Online, your support in providing necessary resources has played a crucial role in enhancing the participants' experience. I would also like to express my gratitude to Dr. Ambika, Chairperson of the Moot Court Committee, Dr. Arun Clear, Dr. Rohit Sharma, Dr. Nutan Kaval, Ms. Kalyani Acharya, for their relentless efforts in ensuring the smooth functioning of this competition. To the student co-conveners, Ms. Avni Gatoch, Ms. Amal Fatima, Secretary Ms. Sohani Sharma, and the entire MCC team, Ayush Rana, Siddharth Puri, Ishita Kumar, Vitas, Mahi Agarwal, Sara Thakur, Nandini Chauhan, Larissa, Bhagat Mahathir, Raghav Rana, Pratishtha, Arya, Shambhavi, Utkarsh, Manapuram, Hisham, Ehsan, Vanya Sharma, Brinda Sharma, and student volunteers. For a heartfelt thank you for all for the dedication, commitment, and hard work. Lastly, I thank all the participants for their exceptional performance and enthusiasm that they brought to the competition. Your brilliance is what made this event memorable. We look forward to your continued support and collaboration in future events. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you so much, sir. I now request everyone to please rise for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you once again. I would request everyone to proceed for the high tea. And once again, congratulations to all the participants and thank you everyone who contributed to making this event a grand success. Thank you.